Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aquarius. At the end of the reading, I will pull some extra messages from the Unicorns decks. Okay, we will start with your reading. Sun. This reading is applicable for the Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of the Aquarius. Okay, so please check out your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign. Okay, and if it is the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section that messages are resonating with you, and like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we will start with your reading for the Aquarius. Okay, the first card is the World. Okay, please give us the messages for the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aquarius. What are the messages for the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aquarius? Okay, at the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords. So your one cycle is going to be end in the October 2020, which was very hard, and you are whatever the work you has been put on yourself for your finances, for your career. Okay, that is the hard work. It might be your hobby, it might be your creativity, regarding your creativity, or some of you it might be your knowledge. Okay, you are applying that knowledge to design the projects, to design the craft, to design the websites. Okay, so you has been done lot of hard work, or some of you are doing this hard work, and this hard work is going to give you the opportunity of the finances, better finances, more finances. Okay, some of you might be getting promotion, some of you might be getting the some new offers regarding your career. There might be the expansion in your business, whatever you are currently doing, or some of you getting a high salary in this month. You might be getting promoted. Okay, and your one you feel very joyfully, you are independent, and you are enjoying your wisdom, you are enjoying your compassion. Okay, you are enjoying your world is going to be changed because of this offer. Okay, because you got the clarity what you are supposed to do in your rest of the life. Okay, and how much the this work is really needed for you. Okay, some of you this might be your relationship. Okay, some of you it might be your finance. Okay, some of you has been put in lot of hard work to settle down in your family. Okay, because pentacles also showing the family card. Okay, family energy, so it might be for some of you it might be there. Okay, so you got the clarity of how you should tackle all this problem, how you should overcome from this less finance, or how you should grow yourself, come out of your comfort zone. You are in October month you are able to do you are come out of you are able to free yourself. Okay, and entering in the new life cycle. Okay, the world is going to be changed for you. Okay, and you are getting some proposals, some marriage proposals, some business offers that might be changed, and that might be going to change your world. Some of you it might be you are traveling to the world, foreign country, or some other state. Okay, so it might there are chances to the travel might be involved, and as you are getting promoted, so your job is your work also getting changed. You might be you this is my including you might be having to travel in this new place. Okay, so you got the clarity what you should you are able to seek the clarity that you are supposed to do this. Okay, so the death card, so whatever the problems in your life, it is going to be end in the October 2020, or some of you it might be ended. Okay, and new cycles is going to coming into your life. Okay, which will be very prosperous, happy, and really long term. Okay, the world is going to be changed. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards for you. What are the advices for the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Aquarius? Okay, some of you might be traveling with along with your family in October 2020, and the transformation is going on in your life currently. Okay, so you will come out of this. Okay, service with the open heart is the key of satisfaction. Manifestation, focus on the vision beyond yourself and your unicorns will help you. And moving, change is happening, so be prepared. Changes is happening, so be prepared to move physically or the spiritually. So you have to be prepared for the traveling, moving. Okay, I told you some of you going to travel in the October 2020. Okay, so this travel is along with yourself, or it might be with your family also, or with someone you loved. Okay, so it is the moving, changes are happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. It might be, as I told you, there is a transformation is happening in your life. Okay, so it has been happened or for some of you, or it is going to be happen in some of you. Okay, so the your growth is like a spiritually. Those who are not traveling in the foreign country or the other states, or not at all traveling, but your growth is there. It might be not only physically but also spiritually. You are growing up. Okay, you are growing up in the spirituality. Okay, then the manifestation, focus on the vision beyond yourself. Right now, whatever things are, you are just thinking, you are doing a lot of hard work, but you just have to be hopeful and faithful that you have to just look beyond this hard work, because you are not aware that you might be getting this opportunity, and this will bring you a lot of clarity in your life also, and in business career. And you will be come out of your comfort zone. You are ready to come out of your comfort zone, and that will be very beneficial, and new happy cycle is going to be start in your life. So you just have to be faithful and focus on beyond your vision, whatever things are seeing, you are watching and you are focusing. You just unicorns are telling you, just see beyond that. Okay, and manifest the things, because that is going to be work out for you. Okay, and unicorns will also help you, angels are going to help you. Then the service again, 8 plus 2 is 10, so 10 is the completion of one cycle, that is the death card. So one cycle has been ended. Again, manifestation number is the 1 plus 9 is 10. So definitely one cycle has been ended and new again good cycle is going to be start. So service with the open heart is the key of satisfaction. Some of you, you might be paramedical, medical, you might be doctor, nurses, or some paramedical staff working. And some of you might be human resources. You are working in human resources, which will bring lot of happiness in humans life. So you are growing spiritually again, so spiritual growth is also there. So universe is telling you, just you have to focus on yourself. Okay, and you just have to be focus on yourself, but you have to see the you have to be broad minded. Okay, you have to focus on the vision beyond yourself, then only you can manifest the things in the broad perspective. Okay, so either physically or spiritually you are growing up. Okay, so service is the key. Service with the open heart is the key of satisfaction, so that you will get satisfaction. Okay, you will come out of this transformation is always not so much easy things, it is a tough thing. So some of you might be getting, you are facing some sleepless nights, some anxiety problems. Okay, so yes, again you are going away to the calmer water. You are going to the calmer water, you are going to the peaceful resolution. Okay, whatever your soul wanted to do, you will do that, and you are trying to do that, which will be bring you the happiness peacefully. Your soul will be in peace. Okay, you have lot of options. I told you, you will get the offer, you will get the clarity, you will find the new beginnings. Okay, so new beginnings are there, sun is going to be arisen. okay? The world is going to be changed because you have so many options. So you just have to be walk away from the negativity and toxicity, even though there is a death, but the sun is going to be arise in your life, okay? Death is not always the in the negative aspect, it is the positive, because it is meant to be happen, because some good things should be come into your life, okay? That are you are destined for that things. I told you some of you are facing some anxiety problems, sleepless nights problems. So you just have to be satisfaction service with the open heart is the key of satisfaction, and then only you will come out of this sleepless nights, okay? So you just have to be focus on yourself, focus on yourself and focus beyond your vision, okay? Then only the things will come for you. You just have to be faithful for the great things, okay? Because great things are going to come into your life, they are coming into your life in the October 2020. You might be getting a lot of clarity regarding your love life, regarding your financial life, regarding your personal life, okay? So you are supposed to do this. So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.